Hello, this is Xinsong and I'm from University of Florida. And today I will talk something about facial recognition because it's my final project of image processing class. Okay, let's start. Facial detection is a biological detection technique based on the characteristic of human face, and it is used widely. So it's really important. And however, it still has a lot of challenges. My project tries to solve the problem of face track using MATLAB software. The program can detect faces in a video whatever the condition of light is. Now, let me introduce the project to you. First, it's really important because it has been widely used in many areas. For example, um, it has been used in government troops, social welfare, electrical commerce, security, defense, etc. For example, if a person goes to a bank without bringing her bank card while she also wants to get some money from the ATM, then the ATM can detect her face to identify who she is and then helps her to get some money. This is a true story happening in Texas. Furthermore, after 9/11 event, anti-terrorism became a common sense of governments all over the world. Facial detection can help governments to identify terrorists among tons of people. What's more, facial detection can also be used by security doors, electric passports, self-service, and so on. Anyway, this technique is really important for our society and will be used wider and wider in the future. And then I will talk something about the development. It has been invented in about 1960s, and it was developed in 1980s and applied by America and some other countries in 1990s. There are a lot of methods to detect and track a face. For example, we can just let the program to detect some features of face and use them to track. Besides, we can also use the color of face because the color is really special, and some other methods can also use the model of face to detect it. Okay, now let's see my project. This is the code. This is the whole project, and let's run the code and see the effect. Just a few minutes. This is my face, and it's moving. And the software can track the face. When my face is moving away, it can still be tracked, and the software can be still effective. My head is rotating, moving near the screen. Sometimes it lose some feature points, but it still be effective. Okay, that's all. Next, let's describe how I did it. Before we detect face, we need to pre-treat the images in it. There are a lot of methods to pre-treat it. First, filtering and remove some noise. And there are a lot of ways to do this kind of things. First, linear filter, and then median filter, and another filter is called self-adapted filter. They have different effects. And besides, we need to do some grid level transformation. There are three methods. The first called histogram equalization, and another is called histogram specification, and the last one is histogram variance standardization. And we also need to do some edge detection. There are three methods. The first one is Sobel, and another one is Kenny, and the last one is fuzzy logic. Let's see their effect. The first one is linear filter. This is the effect. This is the original picture, and this is the picture that has been filtered. This is median filter. We can see the difference. And now let's see some pictures about edge detection. This is the Sobel method, uncanny method, and fuzzy logic method. Okay, now in my program, first I need the program need to detect a face, and in the beginning the system will detect the face in the first frame of the video using vision.cassette object detector system object. It's a function, and which can find the location of a face. And then the system can identify facial features using the KLT algorithm. In the end, it would initialize a tracker and track the features. Now let's talk about the evaluation. My program can do some basic things about facial detection, and it can track the face effectively. But there are also some drawbacks. For example, if someone just tilt their face, some feature points will lose, and if there is some sudden change from the light, some feature points still can lose. So if all the feature points lose, the tracker will disappear. So this is the drawback. So it still needs to be improved, but it can make the basic function of facial recognition come true. There are a lot of related works which talk about the algorithm of facial detection. For example, KL algorithm, hidden marker mode algorithm, and embedded HMM, elastic bunch graph matching. Okay. Mm, Now we can see the pros and cons from the table. We can see uh, different algorithm has their different advantages and disadvantages. For example, some algorithm have a better recognition time, while others have a better recognition rate. So we can just choose one of them according to the application. Okay. Uh, that's all. That's all the demo. And I would like to thank Dr. Wu and the TA Jad. They helped me with my learning for the whole semester. They teach me a lot of useful techniques in image processing. And I used this knowledge learning from them to finish my project. And besides, I really want to thank all the viewers of my demo. Thank you.